The crimson sunbird. Aethopyga siparaja. Crimson sunbird is a small, vibrant bird found across a vast range from the Himalayan foothills of India through Southeast Asia to Indonesia. Males measure around 11.7 to 15 centimetre and weigh 4.8 to 9 grams, while females are slightly smaller at 10 centimetres and 5 to 6.9 gram. The male's striking appearance includes a glossy purple-green forehead, crimson head and back, yellow rump, and scarlet throat with a metallic purple-blue moustachial streak. Females are olive green above with a yellowish breast and white-tipped tail feathers. Juvenile is like adult female but has scarlet chin, center of throat and breast. This species inhabits diverse environments, including mangroves, secondary forests, parks, and gardens, typically below 1,200 meters but occasionally up to 2,000 meters. It feeds primarily on nectar from plants, insects, and spiders. Foraging occurs alone, in pairs, or family groups, often at lower vegetation levels. Breeding spans February to October in South Asia, with 1 to 3 eggs laid in suspended nests. They are not globally threatened and is classified as least concern on the conservation status scale. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like and subscribe.